Hey viewers, welcome to our Canva tutorial on changing backgrounds and adding graffiti art to your photos. Today, we'll explore how you can unleash your creativity with Canva's powerful tools. Let's get started. First, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner of the homepage. Choose your preferred dimensions or select a pre-made template. For this tutorial, we'll use a custom size of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then click on Uploads, select your image, and set it as the background image. Next, click on Elements, type Graffiti, and choose your favorite background. I choose this one. And adjust it to fit my image preference. Then go to the Share button and download the design in PNG format. After downloading, drag and drop the file into the upload area. Now add another page and select the image and set it as the background. Now select your image once again. Then go to Edit Image and remove background. And adjust the picture. Bingo! We did it! Here is the final result. Click the link in the description to try Canva for yourself and unlock endless creative possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, share it with your family and friends. Stay with us for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.